One of the best ways to improve your English grammar is to learn from mistakes. And that is what we're going to do in this lesson. We're going to talk about 5 very common mistakes that I've seen students make over and over and over again. And I'm going to show you how to fix those, how to avoid them. But this is going to be in the form of a quiz. First, I will show you the mistake. You will have 5 seconds to think about it. And then I will explain what's wrong with that sentence and how to fix it. Let's begin with the first one. It depends of the weather. What's wrong with that? Yes, the problem is with the preposition here. Depends of? No, that's wrong. What's the correct one? Depends to. No, that's also wrong. Depends of, depends to, depends about. I've heard all of these things. But the correct one is very simple. Depend on. Think of a table and put depend on the table. Where's the pen? Depend on the table. Where's the pen? It's on the table. Depend on is always on. It depends on the weather. Or my plans depend on my boss. On. Now here's the thing. This is a new office space I'm using today. And this is my first time. When I came in, the manager explained me the rules. Wait, the manager explained me the rules. What's wrong with this sentence? Yes, explained me the rules? Well, the rules is okay, but explain me? That's wrong. How do we use explain? Explain something to somebody. The manager explained me the rules. The manager explained the rules to me. Explain the rules to me. Explain something to somebody. Here's another example. The teacher explained the lesson to the class. Explain the lesson to the class. Look at this one. Let's see if you can spot the mistake. He is good in English. He's good in English? No, he's good at English. Now, here's the thing. For skills or activities or subjects, we say good at. The correct preposition is at. Good at math, good at English, good at swimming, good at playing the piano. She's good at playing the piano. However, if what you mean is that somebody can handle something or someone very well, in that case you say good with. For example, he is good with kids. It means he is good at handling them. Good at handling them. He's good with kids. He's good at handling them. Good at activities or skills. Good with things or people. There's another one. Good for, which means beneficial. For example, vitamins are good for you. Milk is good for you. Coffee is good for you. Good for, beneficial. So if you're talking about a skill or a subject or an activity, say good at. I'm good at English. I'm good at teaching. If you're talking about handling people or things, say good with. He's good with kids. And if you're talking about something that is beneficial for you, good for. It's good for your body. This morning I was talking to Jessica and she said me she was tired. Wait, she said me she was tired? What's wrong with this sentence? This is a very common mistake. She said me, she told me. Here's the difference between say and tell. We say something, we tell somebody. So she told me she was tired, or she said she was tired. Tell somebody, say something. Look at these two. He said he was sorry. He told me he was sorry. Pay attention. Say with no object. He said. Tell with object. He told me. I hope you're enjoying this lesson and I hope you're learning a lot and enjoying the challenge. Before we get to the last one, if you want to download the list of all these 5 common mistakes with the explanations on how to avoid them, you can simply download the PDF file by clicking on the link above this video. It is for free. I made this for you and I want you to have it. It's for free. Go ahead and do it now. Highly recommend it. You can also find the link in the description of this video. Now let's get to the last one. Now this is very common and I hope you can get this right. Jack is married with Jessica. What's wrong? Married with? No. Jack is married to Jessica. This is a very common mistake. With the verb marry, we never say with, we always say to. For example, Jack is married to Jessica, or my brother is married to a doctor. Married to, married to, married to. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you've learned a lot. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, click subscribe right now. Go ahead and do it. Great. See ya.